Rocket Unlock your engineering potential at Inception Coaching University. Graduation Cap. Are you ready to engineer your success story? Welcome to Inception Coaching University, your ultimate destination for mastering the core disciplines of engineering. Why choose Inception Coaching University? Glowing star comprehensive curriculum. Dive deep into a wide array of engineering subjects, ranging from Mathematics I, Mathematics 2 and Mathematics 3, engineering mechanics, chemistry, physics, thermodynamics, automation control theory, digital circuits, electronic circuits, electrical machines, communication theory, and many more. Whether you're a first-year student or tackling advanced concepts in your final year, we've got you covered. Wrench expert faculty. Learn from industry experts and seasoned professors who bring years of experience and passion to the classroom. Our dedicated instructors are committed to your success, providing personalized guidance and support every step of the way. Electric light bulb cutting-edge learning. Experience innovative teaching methods and state-of-the-art facilities designed to enhance your understanding and application of engineering principles. From interactive lectures to hands-on experiments, we bring theory to life in exciting ways. Thriving community. Join a dynamic community of aspiring engineers from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Collaborate on projects, exchange ideas, and forge lifelong connections with peers who share your passion for engineering excellence. Key career readiness. Gain a competitive edge in the job market with our career-focused approach. Benefit from internship opportunities, industry partnerships, and career counseling services designed to propel you towards your dream career in engineering. Don't just study engineering, become an engineering trailblazer with Inception Coaching University. Enroll now to embark on a transformative journey of discovery, innovation, and limitless possibilities. Your future as a top-tier engineer starts here. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more and secure your spot. Join us at Inception Coaching University and engineer your path